Would it not be safer with the dashboard still on?
You can actually save more weight because you could take the boot off and then weld metal panels. You could turn it into a paddling pool.
That's
be
more
good.
weight.
And then when you're drifting, somebody's in the back just having a wee jacuzzi.
Sloshing around in the back, that sounds dangerous.
Because Dave's new exhaust will heat up.
Now what are you doing? Work.
Try to get this fucking thing.
What's your strategy here, Dave? Fucking hell.
Brute strength and
you just put it up in the dashboard.
medium leverage.
Don't they do like little like radial removal tools and stuff to help you with that particular job?
Do they?
Yeah, you can get kits and stuff.
Oh, it's loosened. Right, so it's broke at one side. That's good. Oh fuck.
Fucking hell.
3 bits.
Dave, we don't need that, do we?
Not anymore. Do you want levers?
Lubricant?
Something there.
I can give you many levers.
Big boy's hanging up.
3,
Yep.
2, 1. Boop.
Good job. You've got a raw talent there. It's so raw.
One of them, and there's a selection of.
Dear Halfords, this is a stereo removal tool. Also good for housebreaking.
Right in there. It's coming.
The whole dashboard.
That's really in there.
You got to go deep, D. Go deep.
That's it. Right, you nearly there. Let me get that route. Should be unplugging it and fitting your stereo.
Aye.
That would take £5, please.
So, if anyone needs a stereo, this one will be on eBay shortly.
Save yourself going to Halfords.
Give yourself £35.
Well, have you seen the price of those stereo removal tools? They're a serious investment.
I know.
If you only need to remove one stereo, there's your tool right there. The 1 meter pry bar, 2 tools, the 1 meter pry bar, and wee Dave. Put an estimate on it. How many kilograms do you think?
10 kilogram.
10. Fuck off.
It's got some fucking girth. That's
But it can't be
4 or 5.
fucking 10 kilograms. Sounds like a drug dealer that's making estimates.
Yeah.
What the fuck is smart cars going? You can't.
Actually, I just noticed that.
How can we dump trash on the smart car if it's no longer there? we need a new trash receptacle.
Oh my god.
Right, if we do some basic internet maths on that, this car weighs. How much does this car weigh from the factory? 6 tons. If we divide that by its power, which was 100.
Metric tons.
Sorry, 6 metric tons, divided by 193 potato scones.
Power zones.
We've just removed 4 kilos, so our power to weight ratio has gone up by
12,000%.
I'm actually going to do the actual maths. The real number is
6. It's just an
wow, can you believe how much that was, Dave? Can you believe it?
Wait.
Can you believe it?
Wow, my goodness.
Awesome.
I can hardly believe it.
This was filmed live with no editing at all. Yeah, just pull that off too.
Wait, do we need that Bose speaker?
Get that.
Other Dave, do we not need any of that?
What, this plastic stuff?
No.
No,
Just a cluster.
just a cluster.
Or is the cluster just on with a cluster in boot?
Wires are attached, I think.
Now we're gonna change steering wheel, right?
Can do eventually at some point. Okay.
What are the benefits of having an aftermarket steering wheel?
I have no idea. Looks cool as fuck.
If you know what the secret is, if you know why you need a small steering wheel, let us know. Because so far it removes the airbag and it looks cool as fuck. Those are the 2 reasons that we've got. How long before you wait, have you put the steering wheel into its downest position? Okay,
You
steering
won't go
wheel.
down anymore.
Steering wheel is fully flaccid.
Yeah, there's some kind of wires at your end, very far out in the dashboard.
So there is.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, it's all
like
this
a-
shit. What is all this shit?
Fuse box, strip it out. Oh yeah, actually stop
Can
ripping.
you get it?
No,
Can you get your hand
There's-
in there to pull them out?
there's a lot in there.
I wouldn't be able to put our, to adjust our lights up and
Headlight
down.
levelers.
Yeah.
Do we ever drift in the dark?
And also, I don't think we'll be able to adjust the lights on the clock anymore.
We don't even have clocks, Dave. We don't need lights if we don't have clocks anymore.
Yeah. What the fuck is that? Plastics are very good quality.
And Dave, you've elected to just, what, chop out the plastic instead of...
Yeah, I'm going to liberate it the old-fashioned way.
The best way.
I'm going to make a bigger hole.
In response to difficulty with the clip, we are employing force.
Because force for the win.
Okay. Animals.
I only have limited patience.
Something else to touch, man, is it?
Oh, the air's got on you. It's not attached now.
No. Free, set me free.
That's just heavy.
Man, you guys don't fuck about.
Okay. We got lots of things here.
Look at all the space.
All kind of stuff.
There's so much room for activities.
I don't know what that was.
That can be our work call.
No. That's the comms here.
That's it.
More steam, McPhail! McPhail!
Full speed ahead.
engine, pal.
Iceberg right ahead.
Arm to be the base!
The dash is the green.
That's fine, that's all we need, that's it.
If you have lost the dashboard on your RX8, the green wire is what runs it. Actually, why don't we just bang the clocks into it now?
Let's just put the clock
Just in case it gets funky next time we turn it on if it has no clocks. We might get an engine management light on the clocks that have been removed.
Possibly.
Possible.
And that's an MOT fail now.
It was.
When you tidy up the damage you've done here on some of this metalwork.
That really pokey pointing out, but could you fold that down a bit? There we go, it's just
That makes a great noise.
it's just so it doesn't get in the eye.
There's one more dangling down. Actually, there's a couple. There's that one,
What's one?
and then there's that one, and then there's one over on the left here as well. Oh, that's tremendous.
Do you want me to guess how much this weighs?
Yeah. Go and play. Guess the dashboard weight.
Probably about as much as the head unit.
Really?
Maybe slightly more.
Davenport, give us your estimate. What was heavier, the head unit or this dashboard panel?
Slightly heavier. Slightly heavier, yeah.
There's a piece of meaningless trivia for you.
Slightly.
RX8 dashboard, same weight as the head unit.
Look at all this space!
I know! You could erect a gazebo in there and have a garden
Get some
party.
three-seater. We can get a seat right forward and get another one behind it.
Three-seater, like a McLaren.
Let's convert it to central dash.
See what's happened now is we've given him ideas and now he's probably going to act on those while we're all working our normal day jobs. He's going to be out here fucking things up. Look you, stop encouraging him, he doesn't need any encouragement.
The more chopping the
Right, the mobiliser works again, I think.
Wait, was it ever not working?
Yes. No, well, no, it was right. So that's the keyless entry now works. That's fine. Still got a passenger airbag light.
What's this? Do we need
That
that?
looks like it could have been important at some point. That's got science on it.
What's that, Faye?
Wee Dave is to blame for that.
You get to keep that.
Look at all that guilt and remorse that he's displaying. He doesn't care.
Wait, this is intact. Does anybody need a passenger airbag off switch?
Do we need that?
I also
Actually, no, hold on, wait. The airbag is notably absent. I don't think we need to worry about it going off. I think we're going to be okay.
We've only got one airbag left.
One airbag left is the steering wheel.
Look at all this space. Look how fly those pedals are. Look at them.
Race pedals.
Fucking race pedals. Shit.
I honestly think the more that we strip it of this thing, the more legit it looks.
Yeah.
Like,
We won't have a clue. The car looked legit.
Yeah, the car looked like we're serious. Like,
What up, bros? Yeah, drift, no problem.
so all these people turning up with their seats and their air conditioning and, you know, all their airbags, and we were going to rock up in this thing with bare metal and no clue.
Would it not be safer with the dashboard still on?
It would be, but then we wouldn't be able to do such mad skids. Well, we're not going to be able to do mad skids. Dave is the only one who can actually drive. We're relying on him. Unless you could drive.
Some of this welding's a
Yeah.
bit on the...
Do you fancy a shot in the race
suspect
wagon?
side.
The only skids I'd have would be my pants.